Hi, I'm Vanessa, and today I'll be discussing some makeup tips and tricks for your wedding day for oily skin types. First and foremost, on your wedding day when you're getting your makeup and hair done, you always want to wear a blouse so you don't have to take the shirt off over your head and possibly ruin your hair or makeup. Also, drink plenty of water a couple days prior just to make sure your skin is nice and plump and not dehydrated. Skincare is very important. That's something I recommend all the time. For oily skin, you definitely want to exfoliate to take those dead skin cell layers off. I recommend using SkinCeuticals micro exfoliating scrub. The grains are very small and fine, so it's not going to be abrasive on your skin. After you exfoliate, you always want to replenish with a serum and an oil-free moisturizer. And always use an eye cream just to prevent any puffiness or lines and wrinkles that may be there. And so before you have your makeup done, you always want to make sure your skin is hydrated and you have all your skincare products on. The only time I do not recommend using sunscreen is when you're gonna have a photo shoot or on your wedding day, since you're gonna have a ton of photos taken. So basically, sunscreen bounces the sun rays off of your skin so you don't have any sun damage, but it could also bounce back the flash from the camera off of your skin. So that can give that white cast that you often see in some photos. So definitely do not use sunscreen on that special day, and that's the only time you don't use it. So after you're done moisturizing, you have your eye cream, your oil-free moisturizer, and all that is dry, you want to apply a primer. I like to use a dimethicone-based primer for oily skin. That's going to have that real slick feel to it. And basically what a primer does is it preps your skin for the foundation and it makes it stay on a lot longer. And it prevents the makeup from settling in any pores you may have or fine lines. And if you live in Houston, you definitely have to have a primer so you don't sweat it off. So after your primer, you want to put on an oil-free, long-lasting or waterproof foundation for that extra long-lasting coverage, and so you don't sweat it off or so your oil doesn't slick it off. After you're done applying your foundation, you want to apply a concealer. So anything your foundation did not cover up, that's where your concealer is going to go. So that's typically underneath the eyes to cover any dark circles or any blemishes if you have any redness or whatnot. So after your foundation, concealer, you want to apply a light loose powder. I like to use a blush brush or a bronzing brush to apply the loose powder, just so it's not cakey and heavy. It's just going to be an even, nice, smooth texture. And after your powder, you definitely want to put a little bit of highlighter right above the cheekbone just to give some dimension. Then get your blush brush again, or bronzing brush, and you want to apply your bronzer. And you want to apply it like a figure 3, like you're doing a number 3 on your face, or 2 letter C's, one C, another C. And that's gonna give your face some dimension, it's gonna contour your cheekbones. And after your highlighter and bronzer, you want to apply a little bit of a blush right on the apples of your cheeks, just to give a rosy glow. After you're done with your bronzer and blush, you want to move to the eyes. I recommend using waterproof products, a waterproof mascara and a waterproof eyeliner, just in case you cry on your wedding day, you're not going to have your makeup running everywhere. I also recommend using fake lashes. I like to use natural lashes, and that's just really going to open up that eye area, and it looks really good in photos. So after you're done with your eyes, you want to move to your lips. I highly recommend exfoliating with the SkinCeuticals micro exfoliator. That's really going to take off all that dead skin, and it's going to make your lips a lot smoother. It's going to make the lipstick last a lot longer as well. I do recommend using a long-lasting color or a lip stain just so you don't have to think about reapplying so often. And on your wedding day, you want to keep a little travel bag with your touch-up products. Since you have oily skin, I highly recommend using blotting papers. That's going to be the first thing you use. You want to take off all that excess oil, blot all that off, then get your blush brush again, do a light coat of loose powder so that'll minimize the shine. It'll look really good in photos. It's up to you if you want to do a bronzing touch-up, and definitely keep your lipstick or your lip stain in that little bag and reapply every so often just so it looks really good in your photos. And you can get any SkinCeutical products from Houston Skin. You can find them at houstonskin.com, or they have 4 Houston locations. Definitely check them out. And for the month of May, they have a special that they're running. It's 25% off all SkinCeutical products. I really love that skincare line. It's great for all skin types. They make products specifically for your skin type. Their serums are amazing. They really give your skin a nice smooth texture and give you a glow that you're looking for your wedding day. So yeah, check out houstonskin.com or give them a call. They have 4 locations. All right, thank you. Bye.